Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Gosai. I welcome you all to the next video of my office lab. In today's video, you'll get to know about advanced filter and how one can apply it with different criterias. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Advanced filter is one of the most powerful and useful feature of MS Excel. It can remove duplicates and can copy the unique data directly to some other location within the worksheet. We can also use two or more criterias in advanced filter while copying the data to a new location. Let me explain you with the help of example. In the first example, I'll show you how we can remove the duplicates. As you can see, I've highlighted the duplicate records in the different color. Now to remove those, we'll go to the data tab, click on the advanced filter to open the advanced filter dialog box. Now we'll make sure that the filter in list in place is selected, and Excel would automatically detect the list range as you can see the running ends across the selected data. Now we'll click on the unique records only checkbox and click OK. So now you can see it has removed the duplicate cells and give us a unique data records. In the next example, I will remove the duplicates and copy the data to another location. Let's say I'll copy the data to cell M3. For that, we'll again go to the data tab, click on the advanced filter to get the advanced filter dialog box. This time we'll select copy to another location instead of filter the list in place. Again, Excel will automatically detect the list range, and to copy to column, we'll select the cell M3 as we want to copy the unique data in cell M3. And make sure to check in the unique records only checkbox and click OK. So now you can see it has removed the duplicate cells and copy the unique data to another location without changing anything in our raw data. In the next example, I will be adding a criteria where we just need to filter out the data of East region, and also we want to copy it to some other location. For that, we'll again go to the data tab, click on advanced filter to get the advanced filter dialog box. We'll select copy to another location instead of filter the list in place. List ranges will automatically get selected. The criteria range will be, in our case, is region East, as we want the data for East region. And to in copy to column, we'll select the cell M3 where we want to copy our data, and we click OK. So now you can see it has filtered out the data as per our criteria, which is East region. In the next example, I will be adding two criteria where I want to filter out the data for East region and item as pencil. So for that, again we'll go to the data tab, click on advanced filter and get the advanced filter dialog box. Here I will select copy to another location instead of filter in list. List range will automatically get selected. In criteria range, I will select both of my criterias, and in copy to cell, I will select the cell M3 where I want to copy my data, and I click OK, and here is the result. So that's it for today. Do share your valuable feedback in the comment section, and yes, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and keep learning, guys.